Alright guys, what's going on today? Welcome back to the Ovens Garage. Today I'm going to show you a problem that you didn't know that you had, and I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So today we're talking about these tailgate bumpers. So I'll show you in a second here, but if you can think when you're driving slowly down a road or on a bumpy, going over a curb or something like that, and your tailgate strap rattles, that's a very annoying problem that I've had for years, and I didn't know there was a fix to this problem because some trucks might have these and some trucks might not, but there's these small bumpers that you can get that can hold your tailgate straps from rattling left and right against the metal on the bed of your truck from the tailgate. So I got these from LMC Truck. I'll show you the part numbers here and then I'll show you how to install them. And I'll also include a clip of like before and after, just going over small bumps. And you know, this can be quite an annoying problem, especially if you drive with your rear sliding window open or your windows down. You'll notice it's actually quite noticeable. But I mean, since you're in a diesel truck and it's quite loud, you might not always notice it, but it's actually quite loud where that tailgate strap hits the bed a lot. So here's the parts that we're going to be replacing. So these are the part numbers from LMC Truck. These are the lower bumpers, and then these are the upper bumpers. And then, yeah, here's just the part numbers again. I'm also going to make a separate video here on how to do the window seals, and then we'll also do some door weather stripping since mine are getting old. So let's go show you on the truck what I'm talking about here. All right, so we're just here at the bed of my truck, and as you can see right now, currently my truck has the upper tailgate bumper, but it doesn't have the lower tailgate bumper. So as you can see, there's slots here for the lower tailgate bumper, and I'm not sure if certain trucks came with them or did not come with them, but this one doesn't have the lower on both sides, but it has the upper. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. But this is what I'm talking about, and this is the noise I'm referring to. So when you're driving around slowly and your truck is just sloshing left and right, you'll often get this sound. And so these lower tailgate bumpers, these are exclusive from LMC Truck. Here's how they get installed. The long edge is going to go towards the tail light. Alright, so that's the lower bumper installed. Here's the old upper. It's the old one, that's the new one. So as you can see, it slides right into the middle slot there, and then it just grabs it, and then as you shut the tailgate, it compresses it, and then it'll just hold that strap at when the tailgate is closed. Alright, so I got it working with the new uppers as well as the new lowers. I just had to replace these. I've got a tailgate lip cover here that's just stainless. These screws were kind of getting in the way, so these ones are a bit better profile, and then when they come up here, they actually meet with these a little bit better. There we go. And that's it. No more rattles. All right, and there we go. So that's that whole install of those tailgate bumpers, and that'll solve our noise problems as we're going over small bumps and stuff. For that tailgate strap, those metal tailgate straps are, notorious for making noises like that. So hopefully this helped, and stay tuned for some more videos. We've got some good stuff to come with the intercooler swap coming next, bumping up to 3-inch lines and the 24 valve intake. So I'll make a video once all the rest of my parts get here. And like I said, I'll be doing the weather stripping and the window seals next. So stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks for watching.